Hello everyone, this video is from Preeti Academy International School for Standard 8th Subject Science. In this video, we are going to study production of vaccine. Microorganisms are also used in the production of vaccines. Beta microorganisms are used in the production of vaccines. Vaccines protects human and other animals against the several disease by providing immunity against the concerned disease. Vaccination helps to protect humans and other animals from the concerned disease causing bacteria. Okay, so vaccination help us to make ourselves free from the various kind of disease, and it also increases our immunity. The ability of one's body to resist a disease is known as immunity. What do you mean by immunity, beta? Immunity is nothing but resist a disease. How much your body has ability to resist the disease, to fight against the disease, is called as a immunity. And immunity of each person differ from person to person. Immunity against a particular disease can be developed by a technique called vaccination. We can develop the immunity in particular person by the method called vaccination. A small dose of dead and weakened disease causing microbes used to stimulate immune response in a body is called vaccine. To make one's body immune, vaccination is done. In vaccine, a small dose of dead and weakened disease causing microbes are being injected in the body. So in response to these weakened microbes, our body produces antibodies, so our body becomes immune to the disease. A small dose of dead and weakened disease causing microbes used to stimulate immune response in the body called vaccine. When vaccine is introduced in the body of healthy person, it acts like an antigen. When vaccine is introduced in a person's healthy person, these vaccines act as an antigen, means that fight against the harmful microbes. The body of person produces antibiotics against these introduced microbes. These antibodies remains in the body and protect him or her against future infection of same microbes. Once the person get the vaccine of particular disease, he or she will be protected in future for the same infection. Several diseases includes cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, tetanus, polio, hepatitis B are being prevented by vaccination. These are several diseases for which we used to take the vaccinations. A vaccine can either injected or given orally. A vaccine can be injected in the body, or it can be given in oral, means tablet form also, or drops form. In our childhood, we are given an injection or vaccine drops to protect ourselves against the several disease. In our young stage, at the age of 1, 2, 3, 4, we used to take vaccinations for several diseases to prevent against the disease in near future. A particular vaccine is given at particular age. This is called immunization schedule. A particular vaccine is given according to their age. This process is called immunization schedule. Table 2.1 shows the immunization schedule in India. Immunization schedule is first at the age 0 month, means newborn baby. The vaccines of smallpox, BCG, that is BCG for protect against tuberculosis, is given to the child at the time of birth. At the month of 3 to 12 months, DTP for protection against diphtheria, peripreptus, whooping cough and tetanus, oral polio, BCG is given. At the month of 9 to 15 months, measles, smallpox vaccination is given to the child. At the month of 18 to 24, DTP, that is the booster dose of DTP which was given at the month of 3 to 12, again that same vaccine is given. Now this vaccine DTP act as a booster, polio oral booster dose. If the same antigen is introduced again, it is known as booster dose. The same antigen is being introduced in the body is called booster dose. At the age of 5 to 6, smallpox vaccination is given. At the age of 5 to 6 years, DT for protection against diphtheria and tetanus, booster dose and typhoid vaccine is being given. Bacteria are also used for making a vitamin B complex tablets. Some bacteria are also used for making vitamin B complex tablets. Thank you everyone.